We're here at the House of Marley booth, and if you've checked out our webpage in the past couple of months, of course you know that we've done a lot of reviews on the in-ear and over-ear House of Marley products. We're here with Rohan Marley, son of the legendary Rastafarian and original Buffalo Soldier,
Original
Bob Marley.
Buffalo Soldier.
And Rohan's going to show us the product line of the House of Marley for 2012. So Rohan,
Yes.
I know last year you actually introduced CES to the House of Marley.
Yes, I did.
What are you showing off this year?
Well, this year, of course, we have, well, I would say I consider it second generation over-the-ear headphones, and from the Freedom line, the Freedom collection, and we have the Destiny collection. We also have the Jammy collection on display as well today. But what we're most proud about introducing this year is our docking stations. You know what I mean? And which have over here, we have our bag of rhythm there, as you can see, and up top we have this is the Nomad. The Nomad, Nomads, they go everywhere, so you can take that everywhere. And this one's called, everyone likes to call this block party, but I like to call it roadblock. So I put that on, I block the streets, I get the music pumping, you know?
Yeah, and of course the big thing that everybody that buys a House of Marley product is aware of is that proceeds go to the One Love organization.
Exactly.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about that and exactly what that does for people?
Yeah, well, OneLove.org is really an affinity program that we have partnered up with a few different charities, such as Charity Water. If you're not familiar with Charity Water is an organization that they supply water to people that don't have water, and that's Africa. And so they build a lot of wells, and over the years, if you go on their website, you can see that the work that they're doing. So what's important about OneLove.org is we're a transparent charity, so you can see who you're part of and who you're helping to grow, And we also have Invisible Children. There's another program in Africa that they deal with the war soldiers, the kids that were fighting the war, and now that there's really no war, the kids are just in the streets, So they create education for the kids and schools for the kids. And we also have Little Kids Rock here in the States and Save the Children, which everyone knows about. So it's an affinity program, and we like to partner with like-minded charities that have the same ideas and principles, Youth, Peace, and Plan, which we are at the House of Marley and OneLove.org.
Right. And of course, one of the other pluses is that the items themselves, the docks, the headphones,
Yes.
the speakers, they're all biodegradable, made from reusable and replenishable items. So whenever you buy a product, after you're long gone, if you decide to recycle it, you can take most of the items themselves and not actually pollute the planet or harm the planet in any way.
Exactly, because the key thing about the House of Marley, we want to do things responsibly, As far as the wood that we use are FSC certified, and that's the Forest Stewardship Council, meaning that's protecting the forestry is the people we want to work with. And they're FSC certified, so they understand how to take care of the trees and what tree we can utilize for lumber and what tree should allow to develop, because, in certain places we have an erosion problem. And that's because people don't understand forestry, so and 13% of the carbon pollution is because of deforestation. So we want to be a part of that generation to help to replenish the earth, help to be responsible in how we treat the forest. And then sustainability now. Key to sustainability is the generations to come. Why am I going to do something just to do it? We have to have purpose in what we're doing, You have to do things with meaning. You can't just get up today and say, I'm going to do this, and then you don't know what you're harming, you don't know why you're doing what you're doing. So it's important that we do things in a sustainable way. So not only are we protecting Mother Earth, but we're leaving the earth a better place than we received it for the kids to come and the generation of the youths,
Most definitely. So obviously, if you're interested in giving back, giving hope, giving good sound a chance, you definitely want to check out the House of Marley and the new products in 2012.
Quality is key. And with the House of Marley, we pride ourselves on quality.